Okay, this is an exciting episode of Two Old Farts.
Yeah.
And why is it exciting, Trish?
Because Toby's with us.
And what are we going to teach Toby how to do? Well, Toby's been bugging me ever since we come. He wants to learn how to drive because he doesn't trust my driving. So I said, okay, you think you can do better? So I took him out for a driving test to see if he was going to be okay. Well, we had to get him arranged.
Well,
we had to do, yes. We had to do some fixing. First of all, as you can see, there's a close-up of his paw right there, and you can see he has no opposable thumbs. So that's the first thing we had to fix. So I made him some prostheses, and you can see here's a picture of the two little hands that I made for him, mostly with gloves and silly putty. And so once we had these forms and he had the opposable thumbs, I felt he was plenty safe enough to go ahead and let him drive. And boy, oh boy, he surprised us. He was, what would you say of his driving abilities?
he was up there with Andretio Forgetti.
Andretio Moretti. Mario Andretti is who you're talking about.
Mario Andretti.
Yeah, he was awesome. And we had a lot of fun, we drove around the neighborhood, said hi to the neighbors. Toby, there's only one problem. We thought we were really doing well until we got out here just around the corner in this little driveway through the trees. We didn't know why, but suddenly he did a U-turn.
Chasing after him.
Chasing the squirrel.
It's just part of his...
Ran us up on the curb, almost totaled the car. I mean, the car's a wreck. But he ran over that squirrel just like he wanted to. And before that, I almost forgot to tell you, before that, we're going down Mountain View Road, which is a pretty busy road. And all of a sudden, he slams on the brakes, does a U-turn, goes the other way. There was a collie coming down the road in the opposite direction, and she was in some kind of rag top, a convertible, something like that. She had a scarf on, and she was
Toby.
flying down the road.
Well,
he's all-American boy. What?
You better hurry this up because he's getting anxious.
He's getting anxious. Are you anxious, Toby? Are you anxious, buddy? Oh, are you anxious? I got some great breath, don't I? Okay, so that's what happened when Toby took his first lesson driving. And here's some actual footage.
Oh my God.
Go. Left turn, Toby. Go down. You might wonder why we decided to do this particular episode. We realized that we're getting a few views, every time we do one of these, but all of a sudden we did one that got 3,000 views, which is for us incredible. And the one that got 3,000 views was us being silly, going to bed at night and fighting over the pillows.
Yes, it's a ritual.
Yes, Rod and Trish fight over the pillows.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, we're pretty funny. We can do some funny videos too. So be sure and comment on today's lesson. And as of course, we always say, aging is funny and we are making aging funny. And dementia is pretty darn funny too, isn't it?
Yeah, sometimes it's real funny.
Okay, that's it for Two Old Farts. Bye, Toby.
He's comfortable.